Welcome to Kyrios, your all-in-one business management solution. Kyrios is everything you need to run and grow your business from a single interface with advanced AI capabilities. Whether you're a solopreneur, a growing business, or a multi-location enterprise, Kyrios brings all your essential tools together so you can stop juggling disconnected platforms and finally run your business from one place. In this demo, we'll walk you through exactly how Kyrios empowers your team, streamlines operations, and helps you deliver a better experience to your customers. Let's start with where it all begins, your dashboard. Consider this your mission control, offering a real-time snapshot of business performance. Kyrios' dashboard isn't just about numbers, it's about insights. For instance, review your conversion rate quickly to see how many leads turn into paying customers, or how many new appointments you have scheduled. This helps you spot trends and identify what's working and what's not in your business and marketing efforts. One of the most powerful aspects of Kyrios is its Conversations tab, a unified inbox designed to centralize all your communications. If you've ever juggled multiple windows for emails, text messages, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and Instagram DMs, you know how time-consuming it is. With Kyrios, all those channels are pulled into a single thread for each contact. Send personalized emails or SMS messages directly from the dashboard. Need to confirm an appointment or send a quick update? Type it here and hit send. No more switching apps. If a lead sends a Facebook or Instagram message inquiring about your services, you can respond without leaving Kyrios. This unified approach keeps communication in one place and cuts down on missed messages. Perhaps you've just wrapped up a service call and the client is ready to pay. After integrating your payment processor, you can send a secure payment link directly within the same conversion. This seamless process expedites payment collection and reduces friction. Not only can you see your entire message history, but you can also place calls directly through the system. This ensures every client interaction, whether voice or text, can be documented and referenced later. Scheduling can be a headache for many businesses, especially if you offer different types of appointments, consultations, or services. With Kyrios' Calendars feature, you can create an unlimited number of calendars, each designated for a specific purpose. Label each calendar for its unique function, such as discovery call, follow-up, or technical support. Once a client books an appointment, Kyrios sends out confirmation messages and reminders. If the client needs to reschedule, the system prompts them to find a better time. This reduces no-shows and optimizes your schedule. If you have multiple team members, you can set up separate calendars for each person or department. Kyrios allows for round-robin scheduling, so new leads get distributed evenly among your staff, improving response times and preventing burnout. Effective client relationship management, CRM, is at the core of successful businesses. Kyrios' contact section is a fully customizable, powerful CRM that consolidates your entire database in one place. Here's some of what you can do. Quickly transfer existing contacts from other platforms into Kyrios, or export them if needed. This makes migrating from outdated systems a breeze. Whether you need to send a promotional SMS to 1,000 contacts, or email a segment of leads, you can do so in bulk. Add tags like client or lead to easily identify and filter contacts. Proper segmentation ensures more personalized, relevant outreach. Boost your online credibility by sending automated review requests to clients. For example, once a job is completed, the system can text or email a link encouraging them to post a review on Google. This helps increase social proof and local SEO ranking. The Opportunities tab, referred to as the pipeline, enables you to track every stage of a lead or customer's journey, whether it be for sales tracking or project management needs. Kyrios' pipelines allow you to unlock and track endless possibilities within your business. Each stage can trigger specific automations, such as when someone fills out a form on your website or sends a message through Facebook. Kyrios can automatically create an opportunity marked as new lead or new job. The system can then send a welcome email and/or text to the prospect. Once you schedule an appointment, the pipeline updates to reflect this new stage, triggering reminder sequences to reduce no-shows. When a lead becomes a paying client, it's marked as 1. The system can automatically generate onboarding emails or invoices. If they decline, marking them as lost can launch a separate follow-up campaign to nurture the relationship or gather feedback. Kyrios' payment section makes it simpler than ever to handle financial transactions. Choose the processor that best fits your business. Once integrated, you can send secure payment links directly in your client conversions or via automated emails. If you offer monthly retainers, maintenance plans, or subscription-based products, set up recurring payments so your clients are billed automatically. This ensures predictable revenue streams and eliminates manual work. No more manually chasing down late payments. If a client's invoice is overdue, Kyrios can trigger an automated reminder sequence over set intervals. With Kyrios, you can easily generate customized discount codes, perfect for attracting new customers, rewarding loyal clients, or boosting sales during promotions and seasonal marketing campaigns. Multifaceted marketing across multiple channels is a must. Kyrios' marketing tab aims to consolidate these efforts, giving you a cohesive strategy. Connect your social media accounts to schedule content in advance, analyze engagement, and create DM automations. Run ad campaigns. Whenever a lead fills out your ad form, Kyrios automatically imports their information into the CRM, triggering any relevant automations you've set up. With over 1,000 templates, the drag-and-drop email builder lets you create beautiful, professional emails. Whether you're sending a newsletter or a promotional offer, you can design it to match your brand's aesthetic. Need to quickly notify your client base about a flash sale or an important update? Use the bulk SMS feature to reach them instantly. If there's one feature that truly sets Kyrios apart, it's automations. This section gives you the power to build workflows that handle repetitive tasks, ensuring you never miss an opportunity to engage with your leads or delight your existing clients. Set up triggers, and Kyrios automatically executes the actions you've predefined. Outside of automated actions, you can also branch conditions, such as, if lead doesn't respond in 24 hours, send a follow-up text. Essentially, automations allow you to convert your entire business into a streamlined sequence of events. From automated follow-up to handling time-consuming tasks automatically, Kyrios' workflows keep your business running smoothly behind the scenes. We live in a time where artificial intelligence can dramatically reduce manual work. Kyrios leverages AI in several ways to further simplify your business processes. With conversational AI, have your AI bot handle conversations in real time. No human intervention is needed. Kyrios' content. AI can generate content that helps you maintain a steady flow of engaging content, even when you're strapped for time or inspiration. Need a receptionist? Kyrios' AI agent vows to never take days off and to answer every phone call that comes in. Build stunning funnels and websites in a matter of minutes with Kyrios' Funnel AI. Our goal is to get you tech unstuck. Just plug your desired outcome into Kyrios' workflow AI and watch as it guides you through the setup. For many businesses, having a compelling online presence is crucial. Under the Sites tab, Kyrios offers access over 1,000 ready-made templates that can be adapted to your brand. Whether you're running a webinar funnel, product launch, or simple lead capture page, these templates cut design time significantly. If you prefer a more robust online presence, Kyrios' website builder features drag-and-drop functionality. You can integrate your forms, chat widgets, and calendars directly into your site for a unified user experience. Maintain an active blog to boost SEO, and store your images, videos, and documents in the media library for quick access while editing your funnels or website. Kyrios' membership portals let you create modules, lessons, and quizzes, all branded with your colors and logo. For many businesses and service providers, online reviews can be a make-or-break factor. Kyrios' reputation tool helps you maintain a strong online presence. Send review requests at key moments and milestones. Track and respond to new reviews. See how many views and clicks your profile is receiving, and identify which keywords bring in the most traffic. Whether a client leaves a positive or negative review, you can automatically prompt a follow-up. Human or AI, your choice. Knowing where to allocate resources is critical for growth. Kyrios' reporting offers comprehensive insights into key marketing and sales metrics. See how your ads are performing, including cost per lead, click-through rates, and conversions. Track calls, identify which sources generate the most calls, and monitor calls for quality control. Understand which appointments are most frequently booked, which leads fail to show up, and how often clients reschedule. Connect the dots between your marketing spend and the actual revenue you're generating. Having a clear picture of your ROI, you can optimize your budget and double down on winning campaigns. From automating your conversations and payments to powerful marketing and AI-driven workflows, Kyrios is designed to transform your business. But seeing is believing. Book your personalized demo today and experience how Kyrios can simplify your growth, elevate your productivity, and lead you to greater profitability.